I'm missing my friends and teachers and school a lot, Dad. During this lockdown, students cannot attend school, but everyone needs education.
Greetings from Sam family. We hope all of you are safe. It's very important to stay home and stay safe. I really miss seeing the kids, but we really understand that social distancing is the most important thing as of now. We at San Academy believe that there is no end to learning. We have introduced a lot of activities online.
Hello everyone, it's Ritesh here. My son Vedans Pandey is studying in San Academy. I recently moved him from another prestigious school to San Academy, and the way San Academy is responding to this tough situation, I'm very much impressed with them. They have started the online classes. The teachers are pretty good, their teaching methods are good, and they are ensuring that children are getting proper education in this tough situation.
Big blue sea, in the big blue sea, what can live under the big blue sea? So what lives under the big blue sea? Fish, jellyfish. Let's go for our next activity. We're going to have a puppet show. So there are two pots. One pot, it's made of copper. Yes, it's made of copper. What is this? B. Yes, it is letter B. Yes. What is this?
நீ நல்லா ஆன்சர் பண்ணன்னு சிரிக்கிறாங்க.
What is this?
What is
What
that?
is this fruit?
Mango. Yellow color.
Yes, it's yellow color. Very good, Janavi. Awesome. You're doing very good. See, you know all the colors, right? Yes. What shape is this, Janavi? What shape? In a shape, what shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. See? Yes, it's a triangle. Yes, very good triangle. Very good. It's a triangle. Very good, Janavi. Awesome. So now ma'am is going to show you something. What is this? Eyes. Yes, it's eyes. So how many eyes you have? Count how many eyes you have. How many? How many? How many? How many? Two eyes. Very good, Janavi. Awesome. You're doing good work. You have two eyes, right? Yes. So what shape is the moon? Moon. What shape? What shape? Moon. What shape? What shape?
What
What
shape?
shape? What shape is this?
Chakku.
Very good, Janavi. Only one question and then you can leave, okay? Yes. So, what sound does D make? D. What sound does D make? D. What sound? What sound? Very good. Very good, Janavi. Awesome, Janavi.
Teachers are really doing the great job actually, and they are really rocking. After going through the online session only, we could recognize what backstage work they are doing for the next day class. The after the generation, what I have learned was entirely different, and what my kid was learning was different, and it was quick learning actually. The phonic song, everything was up to the level. We feel really satisfied actually. Everyone were surprised whether there is a online class for the nursery, and it is must actually. And I really thank the management of San Group for arranging the online class for nursery sessions. And teacher is very interactive. She used to call every kid name and ask the question, and once my kid name is coming, she feel very joyful and happy. And during the session I could see every kid is really happy and they are enthusiastic, and it is very difficult to uh, make the kids who sit in a place idle. And these guys are doing the great job actually, because I know actually making this one kid in a place is very difficult. She's making all the kid to listen. It's very joyful, and she's very happy, and we too feel very satisfied after going through the online classes. And appreciation after completing the homework or after answering the questions makes her very encouraging actually. And the puppet show, the storytelling through the puppet show is really amazing. It makes her quick learning. And art and craft activity using the craft work is will help her to make her the story recognize the story actually. And this 45 minutes online class is very effective, and it's up to the level for nursery students.
Teach me to work, teach me to play. Teach me, oh God, how to love and obey. Teach me to read, teach me to write. Teach me, oh God, how to be kind and polite. What is the weather? What is the weather today? Is it rainy outside, children? No, no. Or the climate is cloudy outside? No, no. Or the climate is windy outside? No, but the climate of today is sunny. Sunny is the weather. Sunny is the weather. Sunny is the weather today. Yes, and now Aradhya will sing us the days of the week song. Aradhya, can you sing us the days of the week song?
There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. And it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Very good, Aradhya. Very good. And today, the day is Friday. What day is today? Friday. Repeat again. Friday. Very good. And how many months are there in a year, children?
There are 7 months.
There are 12 months in a year. Okay. All right. So now Nirdeshana will sing us the month song.
March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
Which makes the whole year. Very good, Nirdeshana. And this month, we are in the month called October. Which month we are in? October. Okay. So what is this month theme? What have we learned so far in this month? Merai Mania. Very good. Okay. Super, Rowan. So what have we learned in Merai Mania? What we learned in Merai Mania month? We learned about sea animals. Very good. And okay, I'll tell you what are the things we learned. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much, children. Very good.
Very good morning, one and all. We parent of Siddhant from Junior KG, San Academy Tambram branch. So we are really privileged to address a group of a bunch of audience here, and most importantly, would like to thank the San Academy management, and we would like to extend our gratitude and thanks on this very special occasion. So it's all about like how interactive my kid during the online session with the teachers, and especially the bonding they have with respect to teachers. As a parent, what we feel. So I mean, like similar to other parents, they have expressed the views like during the academic start, how this is going to be effective enough, and I mean, like how teachers are going to respond. So all those things, like we as a parent, we are also really worried about how it is going to happen. But it's something like it happened a magic across the people. Not only with the other branches, and including the San Academy Tambram branch, we had this wonderful opportunity where kids can attend their online classes and to respond to the new way of online classes, and be on track with their teachers. And also like creating a bondage between the students, like they initially started very slow, understanding each and every student's wavelength, how they are responding to the online classes. And also like we usually get the regular feedback with the teachers, how people are attending. So all those, with all these things, they just slowly train, and the faster and the pacer, we just wanted to have it like they made it enthusiastic looking at all the teachers, especially on the digital devices like laptop or the mobile phones. So also doing the activities along with the teachers is like waiting to the turn to show up and express their views and getting the appreciations from the teacher. So these kind of discipline, we thought like, okay, it ideally came from the teachers. So thanks for all those efforts in the regular day-to-day meeting, and keep up the good work which you are continuing to do.
Shall we do the cheer claps? Yes, all of you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cheers!
A very good morning to one and all present. I'm Satya Priya, mom of Pratiksha, studying at Senior KG at San Academy, Tambram. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to express my gratitude for the teachers. Actually, I feel very honored to be a part of this event. To talk about online sessions, it's my pleasure to talk about the teachers. They were very humble and they guide the students in the right way, not only developing their knowledge but also developing their creativity skills in online classes. I'm very much satisfied with the way they teach and the way they converse with the children. They get mingle with the children easily. Actually, my kid will feel happy when she saw a teacher in the screen every day with the same enthusiasm. She used to say, "Hey, my ma'am, good morning, ma'am, happy day, ma'am," and the way they converse back with the kids is amazing. The level of teaching is class apart at San Academy. I'm really feel very blessed that my daughter got admitted there in this school, because she gets a knowledge, she gets a core knowledge, not only simply writing, reading, that she develops her skills. Actually, I'm happy to see her progress during this online session. That was very much proud as a parent. I feel very proud of her. All the credits goes to the teachers of the San Academy. They behave with good manners, not only with the kids, they behave with good manners even with the parents. Whatever queries we ask or whatever we request them to inform to the admin, they answer it very neatly, in a neat manner. Actually, a teacher builds the child with hope, confidence, and belief. This goes apt for the San Academy teachers. Actually, the way they teach and the teacher child activity, everything will be interesting. Actually, I used to sit and see, because of this interest they are developing in the child. I'm very happy to see her face daily. Not even a single day the teacher shows any discomfort in the face. During the online class, the energy levels at the beginning of the class will be same at the end of the class, and that makes me really feel nice and really feel blessed that my kid having this wonderful teachers. Actually, a special thanks to Archana ma'am. Without her guidance, support, and the platform she gave for the teachers is a amazing work. Thank you, Archana ma'am. Thank you, teachers. You all doing a very great job.
Krishna, you are going to tell the answer for the next one. Here we have 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7. So what is your denominator, Krishna?
Ma'am, the denominator is 7, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. And your numerator part, what number should I write?
Ma'am, 2.
2 plus?
1 plus 3, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. So 2 plus 1 plus 3 by 7. So what is your answer?
And the answer is, ma'am, 6.
Yeah, 6 by?
7, ma'am.
Yeah, which is equal to 6 by 7. Very good, Krishna.
We have mentioned that we have too many Radhakrishnas at school. I really feel very proud to say, because like during this COVID situation, online teaching is not a simple job. Like everyone might think they are sitting at home and they are spending like 30 minutes for students. It's definitely not like that. Going to school, working for 8 hours, complete in a round environment, that is completely different. But sitting at home, handling too many responsibilities. They have to take care of the elders, they have to take care of the children, and during the time, they have to prepare for the sessions, and they have to sit on a room for continuous 30 minutes or 60 minutes for students. It's not an easy job. Only teachers can feel how tough it is. As a parent, when we sit with the kid, sometimes I get frustrated. Like kids will be asking few questions for continuous 30 minutes. When the session starts, teachers will be very clear about their point. Please be students, be ready and take ready with your classwork. Write all the things on your classwork. If you don't have classwork, write it in a note. They'll be very clear about the point. Even all the kids will be there, but then too few kids will be asking the same questions till 30 minutes, till the session gets over, but without hesitations and without any it's very hard to control the emotions in front of a camera. But as a parent, when I see, sometimes I get frustrated. Oh my god, how it is possible to control the feelings in front of the camera? They will never show the anger in the face, and they'll be very polite, and they'll be explaining the kid with a very soft manner. And few teachers, Tamil teacher, and so many teachers, I don't want to specify any names because everyone is doing a hard work. If I say specific name, the other teachers might feel, so I'm just using the word teachers. So that when the teacher uses kind words, it's very for us to listen. Like even as a parent, we don't use the words all the time, but whenever they ask questions or doubt or whatever it is, the words they use are very very kind and warm. So the 30-minute session, the hard work they are putting behind the screen is for 3 hours. Like editing a video, it's not a simple job. I know about the editing, so it will take minimum 2.5 hours to do the simple editing. So like every month they are uploading the videos, and they are doing someone is doing behind the screen, and some are playing in front of the screen. It's a tough job. And we have to talk about the extracurricular activities. Like many of the schools started taking online sessions, so it's very common thing between the schools online sessions. But giving much importance to the extracurricular activity, it's not a simple thing. Because most of the schools, when I talk to my friends, they used to say like, yes, we do have our online session, but I have to thank Archana, who gives much importance to curricular activities, because in this world every kid will be talented in some way, and teacher and parent are the two keys who will find out the spark between, I mean, inside the kid, and they'll be spotting it out. So San Academy plays an amazing role in everyone's life, because they give much importance to extracurricular activities like spell bee, CCA. Every week, Saturday, they'll be uploading a video with some motivational speech. It's very inspiring. To be very frank, we all family together will sit and watch, and we are very excited. Like every week, what is going to be this topic? Few people will be saying some very valuable points, and it's very useful that we are getting through San Academy. And like coming to the extracurricular, like whatever yoga, PT, inside a room. Even in the beginning, I felt like how kids can do yoga inside a room, but even they are very much interested. Once the class is going to start, they'll be ready with all the kid, and they'll be very interested. Like what they are going to teach. Even by the side, I'll be learning. Okay, fine. This what is that? This that. So they are giving much importance to even small things like craft and arts and crafts, and the extracurricular like intra competition. Oh my god, that was an amazing thing. Even I was very much interested about the topic. I used to tell my son, shall we do this? The talent inside him, I found out during the intra competition. Like during the COVID, giving much importance to the education is that is very common, but giving much importance to the extracurricular activity inside the home, it's very challenging. And I'm very proud, and I can assuredly say that none of the school is doing this job, giving much importance to the extracurricular activity. San is rocking, and I hope, and I'm very proud to say, like as my son said, of course, each and every one, you proved your talent and you proved your ability during this COVID session. Like wherever I am, I can prove myself. Hats off to you all teachers. To be very frank, the kids are just missing the rocks, building cement. Apart from that, the love, affection, education, talent, teachers, affection, everything within them. And San plays an amazing role. Even for this Teachers Day celebration, the behind screen, like 4 5 days, how hard work was between the coordinator and the teachers, and too many stuffs. So like for even simple things, you give much importance, and I'm very confident, and I'm very like feeling very satisfied, like I'm on the right track with the right school. So I'm very happy and proud to be a part of this group.
I have two papers in my hands. Yes or no? What do I have? I have a blue color paper and a green color paper. But ma'am wants to join this together. They two are separate, but I need a bigger paper, so I want to join this together. What can I do? What can I do to join?
Cello tape.
I can use the cello tape. Very good. How else can I join?
Gum. Gum.
Very good. Very good.
Use glue to stick. Gum.
Use the glue. Very good. Very good.
Glue, man.
Thank you. Thank you. Children. Yes. So this two color combination I like, and I think when I join these together, it will be nice. So what am I using? I am using a gum. The same way, children, when I have two words, I think that two words when put together will be nice. Okay, words. When I take two different words, when I put together, I think it will be nice. Okay, what is the glue that we put them together? I need a joining word, a word for them to put them together. The word that helps me to join is called as the and. What is this word? And.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon to everyone. Myself, Malini. I'm parent of Anika Gurumurthy of grade 5, Tambram branch. Today is a very special day. So I would like to wish teachers a very happy Teachers' Day to entire teachers of SAN Group. On this special occasion, I would like to extend our special and sincere thanks to the management team first, and to the principals, teachers, and staffs. So even in this pandemic situation, the teachers are doing a very great job, and they are well organized as well. Okay, so I would like to say here, without their hard work and determination, this opportunity of children's education is not possible. And I hope other parents would also agree with me, right? Yes. So here, to say more about teachers, they are really excellent in engaging students, super active throughout the online sessions. Even the students also parallelly attractive and attentive to the online sessions on a daily basis. If they have some doubts or clarifications, they will be checking with their respective teachers, and in turn, the teachers will also be sharing their views and express their examples by providing the examples and the guidelines to gain the good attention from the students. In addition to that, the teachers will also be conducting some quiz activities, mock test, some slip test also, to ensure that the students will be covering all the subjects and understanding the concepts very well, right? So it is really appreciable here, and very challenging for the teachers as well in this pandemic situation. And on the whole, SAN Academy is doing a great job, and which is well received by parents and students as well. So once again, I wish all the teachers a great success, and I'm really happy for giving me this opportunity. Thanks to the principals, thanks to the Ashna ma'am, and I'm very glad to be part of this event. Now, my daughter Anika will be telling some few words about how teachers will help students to develop in other areas as well, apart from the subjects. So over to you, Anika.
Thank you, Mom. My name is Anika Gurumurthy, studying in grade 5. I'm very much fortunate to be the part of this SAN family, as our teachers are helping us every day by expressing their expression and motivation speech. On this regard, we are given with lots of added opportunities like participating in assembly speech, motivating speech, club activities such as art and craft. CCA is well managed by school in terms of different parts like singing, dancing, mind, storytelling, and so on. So as a student, I'm confident that we are learning life skills along with education in the SAN family as part of our activities. Thank you, teachers, for your wonderful guidance and effort.
Okay, even everyone would have gone at least for a Kannal or okay. Okay, have you observed the trees and the leaves over there?
Yes, ma'am. The trees are so high, and they have it will be downwards. Yes, slopes, ma'am, upper slopes like that.
Pine trees there, ma'am.
Yes, pine trees, exactly. Okay, mute yourself. Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, so we have 3 points in the, regarding discussion about the mountain plants. See, one thing is the leaves are cone shaped. Okay, why the leaves are cone shaped? Why the branches are sloping? Okay, they are in the shape like triangular shape. Okay, a very good example is like the plants or the trees are triangular in shape. Why? And the needle shape, the leaves are also needle shape. Why? Because as we discussed, in the mountain region, snow falls and there is extreme rainfall. Okay, when the rain falls down or the snow like falls on the leaves, what happens if the cone, if the leaf is going to fall on a cone shaped? Just I'll show you. Yeah, so the leaves are going to be like this. Okay, so what happens, or somewhat needle shaped. Okay, so what happens when the rain falls?
Inspiring and encouraging kids is very important to ensure their success. And it is very happy to see that in our school, our teachers ensure that our kids are happy and they are entertained each day of the school year. So I think it is most important to make a kid happy. And this will bring lot of changes, lot of positive changes in our children. Because a happy childhood will result in a healthy behavior, they will increase their self-confidence, they will be having a healthy mind, healthy brains, and obviously it will result in better grades. So our teachers will mold the young minds and they are giving wings to fly to achieve the goals. So the future of the world is in classroom today, and I think it is safe in the hands of our San Academy teachers. Our teachers really deserve appreciation for their caring, patience, and engaging our students even during this pandemic situation. As a parent, I extend my sincere gratitude to all our teachers for your hard work, dedication, and passion to educating a better tomorrow. Thank you. Now my daughter Nandana will share some words. Happy morning to all. First, I would like to wish all our teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. This is saying that school is our second home and teachers are our second mother or father. And it is true for us. At San Academy, we are privileged to grow under the guidance of our wonderful teachers. The teachers always be with us to groom, to motivate, to nourish our minds with knowledge. They always showed us the right path. We Sanites are proud to say that we are cultivated by the finest gardeners who help us to transform into a better person. I pray for your well-being and success. I thank all my teachers for helping me and guiding me.
Hi, good evening. The online classes taught by San Academy is really excellent and up to the mark. I really appreciate the efforts taken by the school management, staff and non-staff members, including teachers, are really excellent.
Good morning, it's me Divya Bharati mother. My name is Tenli. Actually, first I would want to say thanks for the online classes, because when I heard that Corona was spreading in all over India, that time I got more tension regarding my daughter's education, because my daughter is a slow learner. If she didn't go to school or some more gap between the education for her, sure it is the biggest headache for me and teachers also, and I felt lot about her education. That time only I heard online classes will be going to happen. That time I was I happy, but I got some more doubt, because how that online classes will be going give to educate to my child and how she will understand that topic and everything. I got more doubt, but somehow something is new, so we have to be welcome, and I also be happy with her. And every time when she started to attend the online class, that time I also sit near with her and I observe that classes also. Seriously, it's a fantastic one, and the teachers have also explained to her in a very enthusiastic manner, and she understood the topic very well. That is a very important. I felt very happy because of online class.
I would like to thank all the subject teachers for the extraordinary efforts in conducting the classes on time. They keep classes more interactive for the students.
These online class helps the teachers to educate students from their house.
This is Kishore Reddy. He is my son Nitin Reddy, doing grade 2 in San Academy Tamil. First of all, I would like to thank San Academy for initiating the online classes well in advance and making the students engaged. Nowadays, most of the schools started online classes, but while comparing, I can definitely say San Academy's management was very well planned and organizing the online classes. Apart from online classes, they are also providing the video sessions which will cover all the topics what they are teaching in online classes. This would be very helpful for the students who are not able to join the online classes due to technical issues or personal reasons.
My school has closed because to keep everyone safe, but we have online classes where our teachers help us with our lessons.
Online classes are very helpful for students to learn from home. It is very useful for both teachers and students to communicate each other.
On top of this, they are also providing the CCA links related to karate, silambam, dance, art and craft, PT and guest lectures.
I really enjoyed the CCA activities, which was so helpful to keep myself better.
We also have karate, chess, aerobics videos uploaded by our teachers for us to practice at home and be healthy. I do the activities and schoolwork at home.
My kid likes this CCA activities very much and he eagerly waits for the CCA activities daily. And I would like to appreciate all the San Academy teachers for making this online classes very interesting, and this shows their hard work and dedication towards the online classes. They are making these online classes the way they are teaching online classes using PPT presentations, video bites, and using blackboards and interacting all the students was very impressive.
I want to thank all my teachers who are so kind and teach me everything and clear my doubts.
Thank you, San Academy Tambaram, for having online sections in this period. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.
Then I am so happy to get this online class. Ma'am, please continue the online class. Then I didn't miss my school also, ma'am. Now I'm so happy to get this online class.
I like to appreciate the efforts and hard work put by all the teachers in this tough situation. I am very much impressed with the way the SAN teachers are handling the young kids remotely and the extra efforts they have put to conduct the online exams. I very much like the attitude the SAN teachers shows toward the students. They are very polite and soft, but make sure the student not missing anything and listens to them carefully. Thank you very much for your efforts, teachers, and very happy Teachers' Day. Vishal.
Good morning. This is Vishal from 6A San Academy Tambaram. Our teachers in San Academy are our role models and really help us to develop as a good human being and a student. Our teachers make sure we have the core ethical values such as honesty, fairness, responsibility, and respect for self and others. I am thankful to the teachers for their effort and hard work in this pandemic situation.
Good day, everyone. I am Subbu here, and this is my son Dev Palaniappan, 4th grade from Tambaram branch. My son joined the school very recently, just a month back, and we were worried like how he will be able to catch up on his subjects. But all the teachers did an excellent job in helping him like catching up on his subjects in spite of all the restrictions due to COVID-19. I see that it is not very easy to handle a full class through online learning, but the teachers are doing an amazing job in handling all the kids and answering to all the kids' questions and responding to them. The teachers are trying their best to keep the students involved through several activities, which my son will talk about, and those are great ways of involving the students when there are long sessions of continuous teaching. I take this opportunity to thank all the teachers for their hard work and dedication.
My teachers make online classes more interesting by engaging us in several activities during classes.
ஏழை கிழவி ஒருத்தி வழியில் நழுவி விழுந்தாள். Okay, Kudis, okay.
வழியில் கிளம்பி விழுந்தாள்.
Word. Very good. Simon says, touch your head. Simon says, touch your knees. Simon says, behave like a monkey.
Teachers ask us riddles and also encourage us to share riddles. Teachers tell tongue twisters and we try it. It is so much fun. Teachers tell us to do physical exercises that makes us energetic. Because we have lot of screen time, teachers tell us to do eye exercise. That reduces eye strain. I thank all my teachers.
Once again, I would like to thank SAN Academy, management, teachers, coordinators and principal for the fabulous job doing in this situation. Thank you very much.
So I wish all the very best to SAN Academy and I request everybody to stay safe, stay home and come out of this situation much stronger than ever. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, SAN Academy, Tambaram.
Hello ma'am, this is Mrs. Virginia, mother of Sean Ruel Xavier of grade 2 C-section. I would like to really appreciate the efforts taken by the teachers and management of SAN Academy Tambaram in creating online classes for the students during this pandemic. Kudos to all the teachers who are spending so much time on making these wonderful videos and sparing time along with their household chores in this tough time of COVID-19. It's highly appreciated and a big thank you to all the teachers and the management. I should say that the teachers have overcome the challenges in teaching online in a wonderful way. The dedication and hard work was clearly seen through the videos and during the classes. Thank you so much. Happy to be in SAN family. Thank you.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you for your efforts. I love you so much. Dear teachers, every day you make a difference. Words can describe how much we appreciate. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I love you. Thanks for teaching, ma'am. I love you.
Dear students, we might be separated by distance, but I'm sure we will always stay connected by technology. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.